Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, the biggest scam ever in humanity. Now, before you place your guns upon me, hear me out. See, Bitcoin was introduced with the idea that we want something which is beyond the control of the government so that we can get some fair value of some currency at the time I'm using it, okay? Now, we are, I think, if I'm not wrong, 15 years into Bitcoin. Tell me one major country or for that matter, any country which is using Bitcoin today. I can go and buy some car. I can go buy some land from Bitcoin. There is no country. We are 15 years into the Bitcoin, first of all, okay? Fast forward 2040 or the time where we reach, where we mine all the Bitcoin, which is 21 million, okay? Now what? Now what will I do with the Bitcoin at that time? Can I buy some land? No. Can I buy some car? No. It is told that it can happen, but is it happening today right now? It is not. What is the likelihood that it will happen in the future? Probably not, because governments will not allow that. Why would government allow that all the banks should crash and this Bitcoin will take over? And 15 years down the line, we are already there and no one is using Bitcoin. And if in the future also there is no real use of Bitcoin, it will crash and plummet to zero. Zero, Z-E-R-O, my dear friend. Aryabhatta will be proud. Zero has some real value now.